Biomass pyrolysis has been a popular research topic due to its versatility in products such as char, bio-oil, and syngas. What makes the biomass pyrolysis so important is that it provides products options such as fuel and green chemicals. In the case of biomass pyrolysis, lignocellulosic material undergo thermal degradation in the absence of oxidative environment and atmospheric pressure, which produce solid char, bio-oil, and syngas. If the bio-oil is going to be used as a fuel source, it requires an upgrading. Catalytic pyrolysis is most promising method to improve the quality of bio-oil. The present study presents the updated review on catalytic copyrolysis, which is the production of potential biofuel from pyrolysis of high-density polyethylene and empty fruit bunch. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic for today is on the effect of feedstock ratio. When I started thinking of producing bio-oil, which is also known as the greener fuel source, and making it the most sustainable energy source in the future, I stumbled upon few major questions which relates to the release of harmful gases on the environment through open burning and leaving back a huge pile of biomass waste on the plantation field to decompose leads to the increasing curve of environmental pollution as well as decreasing the level of fossil fuel. And speaking about catalytic copyrolysis, can metal modified rice husk ash catalyst beat the performance of metal modified HZSM5 catalyst? Let's find out. To know more on these points, I decided to sit back and browse through as many research papers I could to familiarize myself to the topic and get a clearer picture on what am I going to do and how am I going to start my study. After all the studies carried out through the journey, I began to draft a simple methodology for this investigation to be taken to the next level. It all began with the feedstock preparation, where feedstock are empty fruit bunch and granulated Hdpe plastic pellets. Both are prepared by similar process of drying, grinding and sieving just to make sure the feedstock are evenly sized and most importantly dried. At the same time, catalysts are prepared as well. The preparation method for both catalysts are quite similar, where both the HZSM5 and rice husk ash undergoes incipient wetness impregnation method by adding ammonium heptamolybdate tetrahydride and nickel 2 nitrate hexahydrate and deionized water, then mixed on the hot plate stirrer, oven dried, calcinated, then being formed as a metal modified catalyst. But before all, preparing the rice husk ash done by oven drying the rice husk, grinding it, making sure that it undergoes pyrolysis to form as an ash, and calcinate it before continuing the preparation using previous method. The feedstock is prepared in 3 different ratios and the catalyst to feedstock ratio is fixed as 1:1. It will be proceeding to the thermogravimetric analyzer and results will be analyzed and recorded, hence proceeding to the discussion and drafting a conclusion. Sustainable development goal is the main key in drawing an overall conclusion where the results has achieved 4 of the SDG of an affordable energy, conserving life below water, responsible consumption and production, decreasing environmental issues curve, which are SDG number 7, 14, 12 and 13. So that's it for today's topic. I'm Tivindran Anandaraja, representing Chemical Energy Conversion and Application Research Group under the supervision of Dr. Vekes Balasubramaniam at Malaysia-Japan International Institute of Technology, UTM KL, signing off. Thank you.